I am with Mausam Noor, the Congress's candidate from Maltipur Assembly constituency, which falls under the Malda Uttar parliamentary seat. Malda North parliamentary seat has 12 assembly constituencies. In the 2021 election, Congress couldn't win even a single seat. This time around, Mausam Noor is back in the party and will be fighting from the Congress seat. Welcome to the print, Mausam. So, Mausam, what are the prospects for the Congress in Malda and in your constituency, Maltipur, if I may ask?
Well, the prospects look quite good. Congress has been strong in Malda for quite some time. Our beloved uncle, Mr. Ghani Khan Chaudhary, is a very uh, well known, loved, popular leader, and we belong to his family. That has given us a platform to work for the people of Malda. And our family members, at different points of time, they have given their best to continue with his legacy and to work and continue his good work. So, our family holds a very good will in Malda, and coming from Congress, coming from a party which has a secular mindset, wants development, wants peace in the area, wants to do good for all. This is our understanding ideology which Mr. Ghani Khan Chaudhary's family shares, our Congress family, uh, Indira ji, even to start with Nehru ji, Indira ji, Sonia ji, Rahul ji, Priyanka ji, the whole Congress family. So this is a mindset which people also agree with, and we continue with this work, continue our work with this mindset, and we are very hopeful that people will be with the Congress in these elections.
Mosam, you have been a two-time MP from Malda North, but then you decided to go to the Trinamool. So, what made you go to Trinamool, and then why did you or how did you decide to return to the Congress in January this year?
See, in 2019, the situation was very different, and there was in that situation the demand from my workers was that we need to have a jot with Trinamool to fight BJP and the left. So, especially the BJP. So, in that situation, I had also appealed to our Congress High Command that in order to fight the BJP, especially the BJP, we need to have an alliance. But the leadership was not agreeing, and I felt, my workers felt, that in order to do more development for the people of Malda, we need to take that decision. I took the decision. The party gave me opportunity to fight in 2019, but unfortunately, my fear came true that and BJP came into power in Malda Uttar, where I was an MP for 2 terms. Uh, but after that, also I kept working for the Trinamool. They made me the district president in 2021. Uh, Trinamool won 8 seats in Malda.
Yeah.
They made me the Rajya Sabha MP. I did my best for the Trinamool. But somewhere down the line, I felt, my family felt, especially in 2019 when Isha and I fought against each other, there was a lot of sentiments hurt within the family, amongst the people. So we felt that very strongly. And in the even in the course of a couple of years, we kept on feeling that strain in the family. So eventually, after having discussions with the family and with the party, we decided to work together again to continue Mr. Ghani Khan Chaudhary's legacy, the Congress legacy. So then we planned to sit together. We sat and we decided that I will come back to the party, and I feel good also about it, because after all, this is my family. It is my duty to strengthen my family, my Congress family, my Ghani Khan Chaudhary family, and I feel good about it. So it was a conscious decision
On your part.
on my part.
Right. Mosam, in your constituency, Maltipur, so how big a problem is SIR? And do you think that it's going to have an impact on the way, voters vote?
Definitely, SIR is a huge problem. We've been fighting, protesting against the SIR, the whole situation. In 2021, there was a lot of fear, anxiety amongst people because of NRC, And now the same situation we are seeing because of SIR. People are very anxious. They are scared that they might even lose their citizenship. And the way the whole thing is being handled by the election commission, we feel that there is an understanding, a kind of a strategy amongst the election commission, BJP and Trinamool, in order to scare people, polarize the situation and then go for elections. We still appeal to the Supreme Court also, since Supreme Court is handling the situation. We appeal to the Supreme Court. All the genuine voters must get the right to vote, because this is a fundamental right. The Constitution of India has given us this right. So every genuine voter should have the right to vote, whichever party they want to vote for, but they should have the right to vote. For that, this is my personal feeling, the sentiment of the people. If required, they should delay the elections, but clear everyone's names. Because we are seeing that in a family where if maybe 5 people are there, 3 people name have been deleted, or in the education list and then they have been deleted, 2-3 of them are there. So how can that happen, that even in the same family, some people's names are there in the list and some are not? So the whole process, the whole situation looks very absurd to me. And we appeal to the Supreme
Also
Court. We have, full faith in the Supreme Court. So we feel that Supreme Court should take the right judgment in this matter.
Also, time is running out. You hardly have any time.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
Malda goes to poll on April 23rd.
Yes.
So if by that time, I mean, it's not clear, then, I mean, it's going to have a, don't you think it will have an impact?
Definitely, it will impact the elections. It will impact the people's decision, because if you are not having the whole electoral who are supposed to vote, some people, we are seeing now that almost 50% in every education list are going deleted. In this situation, so it's very difficult to even gauge who actually people wanted to vote for. So first of all, it's not fair to the people who want to vote. It's not even fair for the people who want to stand for elections, because this whole process looks unfair to me.
Right. Also, Mausam, do you think that, in the adjoining parliamentary seat of Murshidabad, so how big a factor Humayun Kabir's is?
People are trying to polarize the elections. We don't believe in that, because we want the welfare of all the people of Bengal, of India. We are a secular party, and we are going to appeal to everyone. We want, in a society, people live, Muslims, Hindus, other caste, class, everybody live together. We want to represent everyone, and we appeal to everyone to vote for the Congress, because it's a secular party. It wants development and peace.
One last question, Mausam, before I wrap up. So, Congress came out with a list of candidates pretty late. This Saturday it came out. So, there's just a little more than a fortnight left. So, this delay, would it have a bearing on the party's performance? Because, candidates have got very little time to prepare to, go out for campaigning.
See, people have already made up their mind. And regarding this, I still remember my first election, 2009, when I stood for the MP election. My name also came out last almost. I had only 21 days to campaign. People have already made up their mind. And we need to go and definitely appeal to them to strengthen their mindset. And we are very hopeful that people are going to vote for the Congress.
Right. Thank you so much for talking.